Okay, so now we want to put them on the right side so we can line up our angles. And so we're going to put those on the inside here. Center line right there. That's that side. And these we want on the bottom. So we'll put this guy over here. There's our center here. Make sure we have the right one. Here. Now, what we want to do, set our angles up where they're flush to this side and even, consistent with this, the center line. We can just do that by this right here. And then we have punch, punch, there. Now that we have our holes laid out, let's go ahead and drill, and since we're going to use bolts, our bolts and nuts, for this particular, for the tops and bottom, let's go ahead and we'll drill a larger hole here than we would use if we were using back this up here a little bit. Now we have the other side done as well. So we're going to set this aside, and we're going to go ahead and get our 4 legs. And of course, first thing we need to do for the 4 legs is establish the center line. And these are 1.5 inch boards, so we're going to set it at 3/4. And we're going to locate the center on the top and the bottom. If we had a pen. Okay. Like that is good. Like that is good. Just so. Is on the top and the bottom. We're going to make this the bottoms, and this is the tops. So we're going to have a 1/4 inch here. At the bottom. And we're going to measure a 1/2 inch here at the top. Okay. The reason for this will be obvious very soon. But that's the top of your angle there. Now we can go ahead and attach our angles even with that and like that. Sorry. I'm going to put it like that at the bottom. And at the top, we're going to be putting them right there. So there's a 1/2 inch, right? Let's see where you can see this. Yeah. So there's a 1/2 inch there, right there. So your top sits in here, your bottom will sit in there, and everything will come out groovy. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and screw those in now. Now remember, when we were putting these in and these boards right here, we're using the 5/8 wood screws and a smaller drill to set these properly. And now that we have these almost complete here, we'll go ahead and construct put everything together.